Hi friends, Nothing is a brand that emerging as a smartphone brand after success in its earphones. It seems that Nothing is preparing to launch a budget smartphone after unveiling two premium phones all over the world. The leaks so far have suggested that the Nothing Phone 2A was in the making and that it could debut soon. The company has now hinted the same. While the company didn't reveal much about it, the announcement is likely related to a new smartphone if we go by leaks. So far, there has been no leak about earphones or watches, except for a cheaper Nothing Phone 2 model. The device has also received BIS certification, meaning it is likely to make its way to India as well. Tipster Abhishek Yadav suggested on X that the launch date details for the same could be revealed. In short, Nothing is all set to a new product as a teaser for the same is posted on X. The announcement is likely related to a new smartphone if we go by leaks. The Nothing Phone 2A could launch soon.
Network GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, 5G. 2G bands GSM 800 and 5900s, 1800, 1900 SIM1 and SIM2. CDMA 800. 3G bands HSDPA 800 and 850ths, 900 and 1700ths, AWS, 1900 and 2100ths. 4G bands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 12, 17, 18, 19, 26, 28, 34, 38, 39, 40, 41. 5G bands 1, 3, 5, 8, 28, 38, 40, 41, 77, 78, 79 SA, NSA. Speed HSPA, LTEA, 5G. Launch. Announced 2023, November 13. Status available. Released 2023, November 21. Body. Dimensions 164.1 by 75.3 by 8.9 mm or 9.1 mm. Weight 221 grams or 225 grams, 7.80 ounces. SIM dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby, IP68 dust, water resistant, up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Display type LTPO-AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz, 3000 nits, peak, size 6.78 inches, 111.0 square centimeters, approximately 89.8% screen-to-body ratio, resolution 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 ratio, approximately 453 pixels per inch density, platform. OS Android 14, FunTouch 14, International, Origino S4, China. Chipset MediaTek Dimensity 9300, 4 nanometers, CPU octa-core, 1 by 3.25 GHz Cortex-X4 and 3 by 2.85 GHz Cortex-X4 and 4 by 2.0 GHz Cortex-A720, GPU Immortalis G720 MC12. Memory card slot no internal 2. Gray capacity 116 GB 32 GB 64 GB 128 GB weight and dimensions 2 height, 5.44 inches, 138.1 mm, width, 2.64 inches, 67.0 mm, depth, 0.27 inch, 6.9 mm, weight, 4.55 ounces, 129 grams, display Retina HD display 4.7 inch, diagonal. LED backlit widescreen multi-touch display with IPS technology 1334 by 750 pixel resolution at 326 pixels per inch 1400 to 1 contrast ratio. Typical, 500 candelas per square meter max brightness. Typical, full sRGB standard dual domain pixels for wide viewing angles. Fingerprint resistant oleophobic coating on front. Support for display of multiple languages and characters simultaneously. Display zoom reachability. Chips A8 chip with 64-bit architecture. M8 motion coprocessor. iSight camera. 8 megapixel iSight camera with 1.5 micropixels autofocus with focus pixels f2.2 aperture. Optical image stabilization. iPhone 6 Plus only. True Tone Flash 5-element lens hybrid IR